Hello Libra, welcome back to the channel. This is the Lady of the Throne, where God dwells within me as me. Thank you very much for being here with me today. I really appreciate you all so much for taking advantage of the opportunity right now to hear this special guidance for what's going on in your love life, okay? So keep in mind that this is a very general perspective of what your person is seeing in you and also how they're feeling. So the messages that come through, also remember that these are unbiased opinions. So I have no part in what is going on whatsoever. Okay. This is just things that are naturally occurring in your life. And what I mean by that is this is not like personal opinion. It never is. So never take it that way. It's depending upon the energies and how the universe is moving, and how things are being controlled right now. All right, by your deities here, in the universe. So how things are moving, right? So let's go ahead and we're going to jump right in to your message and talk about, what's going on with you in this love interest. If you guys are interested in getting a personal guidance or like an energy check-in, I do recommend getting one at this time if you feel you need to. My link for my website is down below. I also offer channel memberships that are outside of YouTube. So if you guys are interested in becoming a member, that way you can get spiritual guidance, love guidance from myself all the time. That will be spectacular. That will be amazing. It is going to be helpful if you just feel like you really need to get that guidance. And every month or every week, there is memberships available. There's readings available at my shop. So check all of that information out down below. Just click the title to this and you'll see that there. And don't forget to like and subscribe before you go. All right, so this is going to cover the last 2 weeks in October. All right, I know that right now we're in the middle of that time frame, running really, really late on this, but it doesn't matter because the energy is happening currently, right? All right, so how you may feel about this person you're interested in, Libra. This is someone who you may feel very happy about where things are within this connection. It feels like you are in a more romantic vibe with this person. You may have positive intentions for this connection. So you could be thinking about moving toward your goals with this person. You could be thinking about how being with this person means that you'll reach a goal. For some of you, you may have a goal to have love in your life. You may have a goal to get married. You may have a goal to have a child. You may have a goal to just have a happy and successful relationship. You may have a goal to just like get this person to be interested in you. Whatever it is, you're moving toward it. Whatever the goal for you is, that's what you want to do. You could be setting goals at this time in your life on a personal level. It could be other goals that you're focused on, but whatever it is, I feel like you're just thinking positively. You just want positive things. You're not with all the other stuff, right? You're just focused on what's positive. And with that comes you setting boundaries with certain individuals at this time. So you could have people that want to be in your presence, people that want to talk to you, people that want to get to know you, people that want to see you, people that want to be you. But the thing is, you're setting boundaries with people around you or people that you know right now because you have your goal in mind. And for a lot of you, it's this love thing that you have going on. That's, maybe some of you already have a person that you have your eyes on and who you want to be with. So you set boundaries with other people that may have an interest in you. Maybe you're just focused on one for some of you, but you are establishing bonds with the right person at this time. So this is a clear confirmation from myself, who is highly divine. I'm coming to you guys with this message personally, that some of you guys have the right person in mind for whoever this is that you're thinking you want to manifest something with. Whether this person lasts long or they don't, it's the right person for this time, because every person is going to come with a blessing and a lesson, and could be long term or not. It doesn't matter. But whoever this person is that you're specifically focused on, this is the right person, I feel, for a lot of you guys, right? They come in with something, no matter what it is. But this is meant for you at this time, right? So there's a closeness between the two of you. You guys may feel like best friends, like you really know each other. You're very closely connected to one another. There is some type of new feelings involved for you, Libra, where you feel new vibes toward your person, okay? Now, your person and how they may be feeling. Right now, this person is really feeling pretty smart about the way that they're handling things in the connection with you. They feel like they know all the right moves. They've got the right plays. They've got the right swagger. Like, they know how to get you interested. They know how to keep your attention. Now, with this, they also are very, 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 very competitive about you at this time. So some of you may have a partner who is competitive with you, but for those of you who are single, which you guys all should be single if you're listening to my channel, because I really target people trying to manifest things, right? But if you're single, then this is about your person being competitive about being with you, about having you. Your person right now is really going through something pretty challenging. They're having to fight off a lot of competition for you right now, or for your love. They are in a battle, a war, or some type of match with some other person or some other people who are attracted to you. They are very competitive about you, very jealous about you. So if your person finds that you have a new friend and it's a person of the opposite sex, then they're like, hold on, right? Or if it's not that, then maybe this person, I feel like your person is aware that people like you and people are trying to get your attention during this time. So this person could be like really, really, really not playing about you. All right. And also I'm picking up that this person may have found out something new about you, or something like a new aspect maybe of the connection that now has them hooked on you. So your person is actually like totally in love with you even more, because maybe you revealed something to them and you're not aware of what you may have revealed to them that made them feel different about things. They take you serious. They see something in you, or they know something now about you, and they're like, this is my person forever, So they know that you are a faithful person. They know that you are loyal at this time to them. They know that you don't want anyone else but them. And this drives them crazy in a good way. This makes them want to be very, very competitive with other people about you. Now, the way you see this connection or this person, I feel like right now what you see is that you want to go the distance. You want this to be long term. You're willing to endure whatever you need to endure. You're willing to be strong. You are willing to see this connection last long. You're thinking long term, and you are paying attention at this time, or maybe some of you need to pay attention to the flow of the connection and how things have been going ever since you met them. As you can tell, there's a lot of ups and there's downs. There's highs and there's lows. Some of you could even be dealing with a person who's been hot and cold with you. No matter what is going on, no matter if you're up, no matter if you're down, the key to this connection is not fearing that it's not going to work just because of occasional obstacles you may run into with this person. That's the key to it. I think that you want to endure, so you have to endure. It's like one thing to want to endure something and another thing to actually endure it, to stick with it, or stay true to it, or be committed to it, or loyal to it. So I think that that's where you're at with it. Your authenticity that you have shown in this connection is going to keep you in alignment with the blessings that this connection can bring for a lot of you guys, okay? Now, your person, how they see you, this person of interest, They see a lot of chaos and conflict around you. And a lot of chaos and conflict around this connection as well. That's the competition. That's the competitiveness. That is a lot of people being interested in you. You guys have people interested in you that you may not know are interested in you. For a lot of you, especially those of you who are really attractive Libras, right? Or you're in the public eye, then yeah, you have a lot of people looking at you, wanting you, flirting with you, saying things about you to people. Even though you have a person that you're into, people don't care. People don't care. So you have that going on. So your person is in like disarray because of all of this. They're at a crossroads too, because they look at you like you're in a crossroads as well, because there's a lot of opposition toward you because you want them. And there's a lot of opposition toward them because you chose them. That's what's going on. People are being opposing. They're opposing your love together. But I bet if you chose someone else, people wouldn't be like that. If you chose the person that people wanted you to choose, it wouldn't be this way. But because you stay true and you stay committed to what you know is correct, people are upset. So people are trying to go against you for choosing your person, and people are going against your person because you chose them out of everybody. Out of everybody, right? It's like this big thing. So there's a lot of things going on. There's even people coming together to go against this connection. Now, for some of you, this can be love interest. For others of you, it's just family members. It's family members. It could be that people don't like you, Libra. People don't like you for them, or people don't like them for you. Could be both ways. Could be his family not liking you, your family not liking him. You know, it could be it could just be that maybe you both are dealing with a lot on social media together, or maybe you both are, it's something going on where somebody's not well liked only because this is the person you decided to be with. It's that kind of thing. It's like people think that you could have had better, or you could have been with someone else that would treat you better, more fairly. Maybe people think that you're with someone childish, or something like that is going on. Like, or vice versa. People think this about you, and they're telling this to this person. But either way, I feel like this person is willing to leave parts of themselves behind in order to have something new with you. So this person may need to step away from this conflict instead of trying to fight with other people. And they may also look at you this way too. Like, maybe you should step away from this situation and kind of like let them handle this. You know, it can go either way. But there's a lot of drama going on around your connection at this time. And it may be all because of you. All right, that's all I have. God bless.